classes from SQL School. Become a pro in Python with our practical 100% hands-on training classes. What is Python? Python is a platform. Python is a communication platform, very powerful and fast way to operate with any apps, applications, devices, internet, what and what not. Everywhere we go, we can take Python with us for connecting to devices and communicating to our internet activities. We can use Python for easy data handling, easy application concepts, including IoT, Internet of Things. The main key features of Python, it is an interpreted language wherein the Python runs code line by line without requiring any kind of additional complex logic behind it. Python is dynamically typed. I mean, it has a lot of intelligence inside it. It makes us more easier and interesting to learn. Example, Python variables. We need not define any specific data types when working with Python. The Python types are auto-allocated. We have multiple paradigms that we are going to master in our classes with extensive standard library for handling data, big data, data science, AI/ML, and lot of other activities. Python is really a beginner-friendly environment and very useful for anyone, everyone in IT industry, right from web development to automation and scripting, game development, data science, AI, and scientific computing activities. Companies like YouTube, Spotify, Dropbox, Instagram, Netflix are always dependent on Python. The main challenges that we are going to learn, that we are going to address in our classes is all about execution speed, dynamic typing trade-offs, and the maintenance requirement, as well as the maintenance responsibilities. Python in real world is mostly used in web development projects, data science, automations, scripting, and social media. Due to its high demand in the market for freshers as well as experienced professionals, anywhere, everywhere across the globe, yes, there are good number of reasons to learn Python. In our technical classes from scratch, we will be helping you with 100% hands-on in every aspect of Python. We'll take it slowly, step by step, with proper roadmaps, with proper step-by-step conceptual understanding of every activity in Python, right from the basics to advanced. With good number of silos and job-oriented scenarios, we can make sure our Python classes are useful for your day-to-day job work. Further, we will be having every concept-wise assignments every day. We'll make sure we are preparing you for interviews as well. We'll make sure we are having mock interviews. We'll also make sure we have unique resume with a complete project part of our classes. Kindly request you to log on to our website sqlschool.com and Python courses and this one Python, and you see the detailed course curriculum. Request you to download the brochure, and here it is what we are going to learn. Yes, in our classes we'll start from the scratch. Python introduction, from scratch we'll start. Let me just take the updated course content to make it more easier and clear. Kindly bear with me for just for few seconds and I'll be showing you the complete latest updated course content. We need it for our day-to-day classes on my screen. There are total 3 modules. We'll be starting with Python concepts, step into Python analytics and programming, then into real-time projects. Total for 5 weeks, live interactive, 100% hands-on. In module 1, we are going to start with introduction, then step into architecture. We are going to have installations, print statement, variables, operators, data types, and lists. Then we'll be learning about additional data types like dictionaries, more data types like tuples, and then comes control flow activities like if else and Python loops. We'll be learning about Python file handling with a real-time case study. Then comes module 2, very important. We'll be learning about data frames, Python SQL database access, and transformations at various levels to help us understand how to deal with the data, both real-time data as well as historical data. Then we'll be learning about Python functions, Lambda architecture, Python modules, user inputs, try, and exception handling, error handling. Python dictionaries we are going to learn, packages, and detailed exception handling mainly for programmers and developers. We have Python classes and objects, regular expressions, multi-threading, and Python tkinter, web, and IoT activities. These 28 chapters are sure to help data analysts, data engineers, as well as Python programmers and developers. After these 28 chapters, you have a real-time project to stuff in to your resume. Come on, join us for a live intro class. We'll make sure we value your effort. We value every minute of your valuable time. We provide you the complete practical step-by-step classes. We request you to make sure you do on-time practice throughout the course for best results and take part in everyday assignments, weekly mock interviews. See you there in our actual live demo class. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice time.